Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today, guys, I am bringing you a what I eat in a day video, and I'm so excited. Hi guys, good morning. Now that I have sat down somewhere where I can really talk to you guys, it is so gloomy outside. If you can hear the rain, I apologize. You're kind of sitting on my windowsill. The time that I'm filming this, there's like a tropical storm or something of that nature brewing around Texas. That's besides the point. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day. I love watching these videos, so I thought I'd make one of my own. Today I'm off of work. It is Tuesday the 22nd. I have to do a lot of schoolwork. I have so much schoolwork every week, but I like to try to get as much as I can done on Tuesdays and Thursdays because those are my days off. So we're about to go downstairs, get some coffee because I need it. But before we go downstairs, guys, if you're watching this video, make sure to go subscribe down below and join my channel because I would love to have you here. And if you enjoy this video, you're probably gonna like all my other videos, so you might as well just subscribe and stick around. And with all that being said, let's go downstairs and get some mother freaking coffee. Oh man, the lighting in my kitchen is horrendous. I look like I have like a huge thing of bags under my eyes. I don't know why it's like this. My dog just sneezed. Whatever. We're gonna get some coffee. Duke, don't play with that toy. Normally I would make this like a little montage clip, but I want to show you guys what I'm putting in my coffee. So the first thing I put in it is this Vital Proteins Collagen Peptide. I get this at Costco. If you buy this anywhere else except for Costco, you're spending way too much money. Just saying. It's way cheaper at Costco and you get a bigger tub. I like this because it has protein in it as well as the collagen and stuff, so it really keeps me full for a long time, so I love it before I go to work. It literally melts perfectly into your coffee. You don't even taste it. I take my cup, pour my coffee over it. Oh my god. My bird literally does not shut up, and I have to tell him to be quiet like multiple times during my videos. I turned one light on that I forgot about, and now all of a sudden it looks so much better in here. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? For my breakfast today, I've been doing this recently and I love it. This is the Too Good yogurt. This is what it looks like. And then I like to top it with some fruit. Usually I do like raspberries and blueberries, but today I just have blueberries. And then granola. This granola smacks. It is so good. Highly recommend. Now I'm gonna assemble it all and do a cute little montage for you. So enjoy. Okay, I came upstairs. I usually always come upstairs to eat my breakfast, whether I'm getting ready for work or whatever. I usually come up here and watch TV while I'm eating my breakfast. But today, I have so much school stuff to do. Probably just gonna like get on my computer, check some stuff while I eat my breakfast. So, there you go. I have my coffee. My dogs are coming upstairs. I'm gonna get to work on doing school stuff. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, I'm back in the same spot that I was in hours ago. I am so unproductive today. I want to be very productive, but I can't. I just went and got a snack to eat because I am kind of hungry, but I don't feel like cooking lunch right now. I made one of my favorite snacks and I want to show you guys because this is a what I eat in a day, duh. So this is my favorite little snack to make. I don't know if you can see it before I dump it over. This is little trail mix, I guess, thing that I like to make. So these are the Dots pretzels. I'm going to put a picture of what the bag looks like right here on the screen because these are amazing. I hate pretzels normally, but these are so good, and if you like don't want to be addicted to them, don't buy them because you will. Like, my whole family eats them. And then I put almonds. I'm literally showing you this. Looks like a little bug. That's horrible. I like to buy the wasabi soy sauce Blue Diamond almonds. Amazing, 10 out of 10. I go through the gigantic bag of them all the time. I will put those on the screen right here as well so that you can go get yourself some. And then I put pistachios. You don't need to know what a pistachio looks like. These are shelled pistachios. I buy them in a huge bag from Costco. And I love them. That's what I'm snacking on. And then I have my water bottle to keep drinking water because I don't drink enough water sometimes. Right now I'm currently looking at apartments because whenever school goes back to in-person, I need a place to live. I keep finding this one place that I really like, but I have no clue where it is. Like, I used to live in College Station, and I don't ever remember this place. Anyways, that's what I'm doing. I'm eating this little snack, and then maybe in like an hour or so, I'll go cook lunch because I'm so excited to show you guys what I'm cooking for lunch today. Earlier, around like 1 o'clock, I had a snack, and I told you guys, sorry, I'm brushing my hair because it looks crazy. I told you guys that I was going to come back in like an hour on the camera and show you guys my lunch, but it's taken me way longer than an hour to do what I had to do, and I'm still working on one class, so it's like, it's okay. We're gonna take a break and I'm gonna go make lunch. Let's go. We've made it to my kitchen. Anyways, I wish I had like this aesthetically pleasing kitchen for you guys to look at, but I don't. I can try my best in editing to make it look better. Anyway, today we're gonna be cooking salmon for my lunch, and then I'm gonna do some jasmine rice. I'm gonna show you some clips of me making it, then I'll show you the final product at the end. Literally, you're only gonna need like 2 things for this lunch, and that is a thing of salmon, and then I'm gonna do jasmine rice. These are our 2 ingredients today. Let's turn them into my lunch. Okay guys, I just thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Good thing I didn't try it. This is my plate. I took a lot of pictures. I don't know if you can see it, but I took lots of pictures, so I will insert the pictures right here. Basically, air fried some salmon, put blackening seasoning on it, olive oil, salt and pepper, and garlic powder. And then I did some jasmine rice. I put 2 little lime slices. But we're gonna do a taste test for you guys. My bird's talking, and he likes to talk every time I talk. So there you go. No one's home with me. That's just my bird talking. But let's do a taste test. Cheers. So good. I think I'm gonna add some soy sauce. Smacks. I need to eat this more often. Do you eat the skin on salmon? Is that a thing? Like, I feel like people do eat it, but I can't. Like, there's no way I'm gonna eat that. That was delicious. And empty bowl because it was just so yummy. I'm back upstairs by my school stuff on my computer because I have a little bit left to do of this work, and then I'm going to move on to another video. I just finished my lunch. It was so good. It was actually way better than I expected it to be. I'm drinking fruit punch Crystal Light. I always want to have a coffee. I'm trying to like stop drinking as much coffee, so I'm having a Crystal Light and it makes me feel better because it's just like water, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna have this as like a little afternoon pick-me-up. It's 4:22, so that's pretty late for me to eat lunch, but I did. I guess I will check back in with you guys when I have dinner. We're gonna have steaks tonight for dinner, which I'm excited about. My brother, I think, is gonna cook them. I don't know what we're gonna have for like sides and stuff, but yeah, we're having steaks, and I love when we have steaks. My family buys the best steaks. I'll check back in with you guys at dinner time, and yeah, I'm gonna try to get a bunch of shit done before dinner. Guys, it is way later. As you just saw in the last clips, we had steaks and potatoes and green beans and stuff for dinner. I didn't really want to film too much because we were just like, I don't know, enjoying our little family dinner, chatting about random stuff. After dinner, I just took a shower, and now I'm laying in bed and I am having dessert, which has been my favorite dessert for a little while now, is frozen grapes. I have them in this little solo cup, but that's what they look like. They're cotton candy grapes. They're my absolute favorite. I'm pretty sure that they're going out of season because every time I see them at the grocery store, they're like kind of like old looking. I love them, especially frozen. I used to see people talk about frozen grapes like all the time, and I was like, that sounds horrible, but so good. And cotton candy ones frozen specifically are so good. So I'm just gonna sit in bed for a little bit, probably like 10-15 minutes or so, eat some frozen grapes for dessert, and then watch some YouTube. Then when I'm done with that, I'll go brush my teeth and go to bed because I have work tomorrow. That's gonna be the end of today's video, my what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I make videos like this all the time, and if you enjoyed this one, you'll probably like my other videos. Go ahead, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you're always notified when I post a video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well. That's all I have to say for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.